If your Bose speakers used to connect together but suddenly stopped, try these fixes. All right, so welcome back to Quick Assist. If this video helps, please consider liking and subscribing. I'm gonna go ahead step by step. First, we're gonna go ahead and want to turn it off and on. So we're turning both of them off.
Unlinked. Battery 20%. Ready to connect.
Oh, okay. So once we turn it off, go ahead, turn it on
Battery
again.
100%. Battery 20%. Connected to. Ready to connect.
All right. So sometimes just doing that, it will help connect. Then if that doesn't work, then we're gonna go ahead. Want to just go ahead, make sure that's
ready to another device.
Yeah, you'll hear that it says ready to connect to another device. Make sure that that's connected. Sometimes you're gonna want to also just double check whatever you're connected to. So say that's a iPhone or MacBook or a laptop or earbuds, whatever. You're gonna want to make sure that at least one of them is connected to that.
Connected to. Rename me anything.
Okay, so then usually that will solve the problem. Then you can do like party mode by pushing these two.
Press the Bluetooth and volume down button
now it works on the party mode. If that doesn't work, then you can try to reset the Bluetooth. So go ahead, reset the Bluetooth.
Connect another device.
But hold that down. Keep holding it down past that.
Bluetooth device list cleared.
Okay, so it's okay. So now that's cleared, but then I noticed that if it's not connected to a device like your laptop or computer or whatever, it will not connect with each other. So it's not working. So let's go ahead and make sure we connect. Let's make sure we connect. All right, so it shows that it's forgetting the device right now. So like I said, this one also will not work. But let's go ahead, once it pops up on the other devices. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and connect. All we have to do is connect one of them.
Rename me anything.
Okay, so that was, once we connect to that, then we could go ahead and try the party mode again.
Press the Bluetooth and volume down buttons simultaneously on a second Bose device.
And then hold that down. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer. You also want to make sure that the two speakers are close together while you're doing this. Otherwise it won't work. Okay, so like I said, sometimes it takes a little bit longer, but yeah, don't give up. And I hope this video helps. If it did, please consider liking or subscribing. I'll just say most Bose pairing problems are caused by Bluetooth memory issues or temporary software glitches. So yeah. All right, if that doesn't work, watch my video about how to do a hard reset. All right, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.